Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook asparagus the easy Gordon Ramsay way. First, prepare your asparagus by snapping off the woody ends. They naturally break where they become tender. Next, blanch the spears in boiling, heavily salted water for about 2 to 3 minutes. This step helps retain their vibrant green color and ensures a tender bite. Quickly transfer them to an ice bath to halt the cooking process. Once blanched and thoroughly drained, it is time to sauté. Heat a large pan over medium-high heat with about 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil. Add your asparagus spears to the hot pan. Sauté them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, tossing occasionally. You are looking for that perfect tender crisp texture, not mushy, but with a slight bite. Now for the finishing touches that elevate the flavor. Add 1 clove of finely minced garlic to the pan and a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Season the asparagus generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For an extra layer of richness, you can swirl in a small knob of unsalted butter right at the end. Your perfectly cooked asparagus is now ready to be served. This simple yet elegant preparation makes a fantastic side dish for almost any meal. It pairs beautifully with roasted chicken, pan-seared fish, or a juicy steak. Enjoy this incredibly flavorful and vibrant vegetable, prepared with minimal effort but maximum taste, just like a professional chef would.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.